This is the Ajazz AK820 Pro, and on paper, it looks like one of those keyboards that's almost too good for the price. Gasket mount, hot swap switches, a built-in screen, wireless connectivity, the whole checklist. But after actually using it day to day, I realized there's one thing about this keyboard that specs alone don't tell you, and it might be the reason it either becomes your favorite desk upgrade or a hard pass. Ajazz AK820 Pro product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Ajazz AK820 Pro, a compact 75% mechanical keyboard from Ajazz, a brand that's been quietly gaining respect in the budget custom keyboard space. It launched in 2024 and is aimed squarely at people who want that custom keyboard feel without custom keyboard money. The big selling point here is value. You're getting tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, a gasket-mounted design, hot-swappable switches, and even a small built-in display with a rotary knob, all for well under $100 depending on the configuration. On paper, it's punching way above its weight. Ajazz AK820 Pro performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it actually feel to use? I use the Ajazz AK820 Pro as my main keyboard for work, late-night typing, and a decent amount of gaming. And honestly, this thing surprised me in the best way. Typing feels soft and controlled thanks to the gasket mount. There's a little flex when you bottom out, which makes long writing sessions noticeably less fatiguing. It's not mushy, just forgiving. For everyday productivity, emails, scripts, spreadsheets, no issues at all. It keeps up effortlessly. In gaming, especially in wired or 2.4 GHz mode, latency wasn't a problem. Inputs felt immediate, and I didn't notice missed keystrokes or weird behavior. Bluetooth is solid too, though like most keyboards, it's better suited for casual use rather than competitive play. The stabilizers? Surprisingly decent out of the box. They're not perfect, but they don't rattle like you'd expect at this price. Overall, performance-wise, this feels way closer to a mid-range custom board than a budget pre-built. Features and tech. Let's talk about what actually makes the Ajazz AK820 Pro stand out. First up, the built-in screen and knob. That little display isn't just for show. It can display battery life, connection mode, time, and even system info depending on how you configure it. The knob is customizable too. Volume control, scrolling, brightness, super convenient once you build muscle memory. Next, tri-mode connectivity. You can run this wired, connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, or use the 2.4 GHz dongle. That means laptop, desktop, tablet. One keyboard, zero hassle. Switching between devices is quick and reliable. Then there's hot swap support. You don't like the stock switches? No problem. Pop them out, drop in something else. That's huge for beginners who want to experiment without soldering. Design and build. Aesthetically, Ajazz did a really nice job here. The Ajazz AK820 Pro has a clean, modern look that fits both a gaming setup and a remote work desk. The plastic case doesn't feel cheap, and the weight is reassuring once it's on your desk. It doesn't slide around. The 75% layout is a sweet spot. You get dedicated arrow keys and function row access without the massive footprint of a full-size keyboard. Keycaps are decent quality, though not mind-blowing, and legends are clear and readable. One small thing, the screen adds visual flair, but it does slightly break the minimalist look. Whether that's a pro or con really depends on your taste. Battery life. Battery life here is solid, not record-breaking. With RGB on and frequent use of the screen, you'll probably charge it every few days. Turn the lights down or off and it easily stretches longer. The good news, USB-C charging is fast, and you can keep using the keyboard while it's plugged in. For most people, battery anxiety won't be an issue. Just don't forget that the screen does sip power. Pros. Excellent typing feel thanks to gasket mounting. Built-in screen and knob that are actually useful. Strong value for the price with tri-mode connectivity. Cons. Software is functional but not very polished. The screen isn't essential for everyone. Final verdict. So, who is the Ajazz AK820 Pro really for? And is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're someone who wants to dip your toes into the custom keyboard world without spending $200, this is an absolute no-brainer. It feels great, sounds good out of the box, and gives you room to grow and experiment. If you're a student, remote worker, or casual gamer who wants one keyboard to rule them all, desktop, laptop, tablet, this makes a ton of sense. On the other hand, if you're super picky about software or want an ultra-minimal aesthetic, you might want to look elsewhere or be ready to tweak a few things. But dollar for dollar, the Ajazz AK820 Pro delivers way more than it has any right to. It's proof that budget keyboards have officially leveled up.